Everyone, hope so you're doing well, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix camera problem on your Samsung Galaxy M53. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are watching first time Team Device channel. So to fix Galaxy M53 camera problem or camera not opening or closing again and again problem, simply just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.